guys how early Ipsy has arrived? Well, it's early for me. Today is June 11. I'm recording this. I have a break from work, so let's do this. Let's see. I'm excited as always to see what the bag looks like. Yeah, not my favorite whatsoever. Maybe it's my least favorite bag. I know I'm being harsh, but seriously, like, am I 2 years old here? It's cute, like if you have kids, give it to your kids, or maybe you do like this, maybe you think it's fun. So let's see what is in here. I believe this bag is like $12. You get 5 like sample size products, maybe sometimes 1 full size. So let's see what is in this bag. I haven't received this in like, I don't know how many months, maybe 6 months. I usually get BoxyCharm, so wait for that video. Okay, so the first thing I see here is something from Glam Glow. I tried Glam Glow once. It didn't work for me. My face was like red. I know not every product from them is going to be the same, but I'm not so much of a fan. This says Super Mud Clearing Treatment. That actually sounds really good. I love like mud masks and stuff like that. So, I mean, I might try it out. Alright, and this is a nice small size, 0.24 ounces. And sorry if you hear the air conditioner. I cannot turn it off because I will melt. It's really hot in here. Alright, the next thing is the Professional from Benefit. And this is the Super Center. It's very interesting. I know they have the primer, right? So, yeah, let's see what it looks like. Hopefully it doesn't break me out. I love a good setting spray, especially for summer. Let's see what it says. Multitasking. Skin feels smooth, refreshed, and hydrated. Alcohol free. Instantly blurs pores. Really? Okay. That's nice. Alright, let's open it up. Look how cute this is. I love that it's refillable, so like if you were to purchase the big size, you could always keep this, put it in your purse. I love like mini size of things. I don't know, I'm obsessed. This is pretty cute. What else does it say? Made in Canada. Alright, I think this is brand new. I never heard of this. What else we have here? Oh, we have this from Eyeko. I actually tried this before. I believe, yeah, Black Magic Liquid Eyeliner. If you guys know, I'm obsessed with liquid eyeliners. A lot of them I tried because Ipsy always used to send me. So I'm very happy about that. I will never get mad about receiving eyeliner every month, especially liquid. But I did try this and it actually ran on me, like it bled. So, I don't know. If you guys like it, maybe you don't experience what I experienced, I could put this in a giveaway. But yeah, I'm not going to touch this. Again, is the Black Magic Liquid Eyeliner from Eyeko. I believe it's Eyeko. Right? Because that's the little E. Please tell me it's Eyeko. Let me see. Yeah. So you see right there it says Eyeko. And this is supposed to be cruelty-free and vegan. We have a hand cream. Dolce Vita. Mercy Handy. Okay, 1 ounce, pretty nice. Let me just smell this and see. It's a scent of lightness and orange blossom. 96% natural origin, vegan. Alright, let's smell this. Never heard of this brand. I can't even describe the scent. I don't think I like it though. I'm sorry. There's something to it. Maybe when they say I don't know. I don't know. The point is, I'm not too much of a fan. I'm like struggling to spit the words out because I don't like to say that I don't like something, but I have to be honest with you. It's just not for me. I don't know. It doesn't smell like orange to me, or maybe orange mixed with something, but yeah, not for me. Okay, what is this? Catherine Malandrino Lux de Venus, and this is a perfume sprayer. First of all, it's red. You guys know I'm obsessed with red, so I like what this looks like. Never heard of this brand. Am I obsessed with perfumes? Yes. You guys know I have several perfume videos on my channel. Hopefully I like the scent of this. Let's see if it describes anything here. I don't know. Okay, let me go ahead and smell it. It's nice. Again, a nice travel size. Nice way to test it out just in case you like it to purchase it. So, okay, so as of now, I think I like it. I did have some other perfume on already. So I did spray this on the air a little bit on me. I think it's like floral, but it smells really fresh. You know, when it settles, it changes up a bit. But initially, it smells pretty floral to me. Like it reminds me a little bit of another perfume. But I can't recall right now which one it could be. Yeah, I know I've smelled something very familiar, but it's nice if you like floral, or maybe I'm saying floral and it doesn't even smell like floral. You know how terrible I am at describing things. Let me know what you think. If you received this, what does it smell like to you? And have you ever heard of this brand? I just love the red. I would love to carry this with me. And when I'm out in like the heat and I'm like sweating and stuff, I'm not trying to smell any kind of way but fresh and clean. So I'll spray anything, you know, not anything, let's not exaggerate, but you know, I'll spray this. I'll smell all florally and fresh. So that's all I got. Interesting. I don't know if I'll keep it for next month. Maybe. Let me know if you still receive Ipsy. What did you think of this? I'm definitely going to do a giveaway with a couple of things. So please remember to subscribe if you love to see these. I do this and BoxyCharm. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.